Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by installing and signing into Excel so your files sync. Once done, grant files access and connect OneDrive or iCloud to avoid manual transfers. Then open an existing workbook or tap the plus to create a new one. Tap any cell to enter data and use the formula bar for longer entries. This ensures your changes are saved automatically and accessible on other devices as you continue working. You'll now structure data and add calculations. Enter numbers using the numeric keypad and choose SUM or average from the Quick Functions row to speed results. Once you have a pattern, tap the fill handle and drag to copy sequences. Pinch to zoom and use 2 fingers to scroll the sheet smoothly. To visualize, tap Insert, choose Table or Chart, then adjust the selected range and style so your outputs update dynamically with underlying cells. Finish by formatting cells and applying conditional formatting so trends stand out. Use number formats for currency or percentages. Save and share from the share icon, export as XLSX or PDF, and confirm OneDrive sync status so collaborators see updates. If something goes wrong, force close Excel and reopen. Make sure you have adequate storage and a stable network. These steps help you preserve work and resolve common sync or autosave hiccups quickly, so you can move on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.